Hi there, my name is Polina, and in this video I'll guide you through the digital video production template. So where do we start from? Of course, from the structure, the databases that we have. So let's go to the configure space page, and here we have 4 databases. So first of all is what we call video. So this is a video we just plan to deliver. The second one is stage. So videos are decomposed into stages, and there can be a recurring process. Based on the video type, we have a set of predetermined stages. Stages are decomposed into tasks. What do we have to do to finish a particular stage, and a key to deliver a video. And we also have expenses. So for every video there is a list of expenses that we have. So then we want to have an overview, how much have we spent and what was the purpose. So let's go and see how to use this. So first of all, I'm going to the all videos list table. So here I see my videos. We have a pinned filter which is called state is in progress, so you could click and quickly see all the videos that you have in progress. Let's dive a little bit deeper. So I will open the video itself, and it has a set of fields. So first of all, there is a media type, so which kind of video are we creating, and maybe the flow will be different for different types of the video. Then there is a button which is called generate stages. So if I will check out this button, I see that this is an example of the recurring process. So once I click the button, it will generate stages for the new video. We have 4 predefined: research and scripting, production, and publishing. You can name them differently. You can add other fields predefined, like duration of this one is always determined. So this is up to you. Then we have a Chinese field who is working on this particular video. We have a state. Right now it's idea, planet, in progress, and published, but nothing is hard-coded, so you can add your states here. There is a budget field, which is like a manually added amount. And then there is a spend formula. How does this formula work? We have expenses, so it's a separate database which is connected to the video database. And when I click button add expense, for example, I'll call this one test expense, and the amount will be, I don't know, $20. I don't know what is it. So I added it. Now I see it here, and my formula was recalculated. So spend is a formula which summarizes all the amount of all the expenses across this particular video. What's going on next? Then we also have a publish date. It can be set in advance when I'm going to publish it, or it can be updated automatically. For example, when you move this video to the published date is set. Progress is also a formula, but this one depends on the stages progress. And now let's talk a little bit about the stages. So here also I scroll down, I see this specification for this video, what has to be done, the structure, so you don't have to store your documents separately. And then I scroll down and I'll see the stages which were generated in advance, and I see the progress about them. So this one is 100% ready, this one is 100% ready, and this one is ready for 25%. We'll talk about this a bit later, how these numbers are calculated. So in fact, this one progress is just an average progress across all the stages, how ready this video is. And for example, if I add another stage, testing stage, I will not even set the dates. So another one was added, so the progress accordingly was lower. And when you talk about stages, here I see only stages for this particular video, and I can see them from different perspectives. So I can see stages timeline like this. Maybe it will make sense to show lanes, displaying one entity per lane like this, more visible, correct? Work by stage, where I see the tasks which are assigned to every stage and what's the progress about those tasks. So you can keep the one you prefer, but seeing only context relevant stages to a particular video for us is not enough. I want to see the overview, all the stages across all the videos we are working on. So for this case, I'm going to this timeline. So see here, I see stages which are grouped by projects. So here I have a filter exclude finished stages. If I will turn it off, I will see finished stages as well, but for the cleaner view, it will make sense to show something like this. And here also I show progress and state directly on the stage here. And if we go to the backlog, here we'll see our testing stage as well, which we recently added, but we haven't set dates for it. So Fiber doesn't know where to show it, and I can easily drag and drop it somewhere here. Maybe like this. And then I can reorder it. With the right click button, by the way, I can also delete the stage. So this is it. And also here I see the progress overall about every particular video. I configured it here with lanes, which fields are shown. And if I open a particular stage, for example, publishing, inside I also have an explanation what has to be done across this stage, and it has much less fields. So we also have here state, and here the set of states is like a bit more simpler than in the video. I also see the duration, like because this is what I have to show on the timeline, when do we work on this particular stage, and I also see the progress. But here progress is calculated based on the number of done tasks. So if I have done 1 task out of 5, my percentage will be like 1/5. And if I scroll down a bit, here I will see again which tasks that has to be done for this particular stage. So I see the one which was done and what is in progress right now. And again, I want to see all the tasks across all the probably active stages, across all the videos which are not delivered yet. So I'm going to the tasks by state board. So what do we see here? Here I have a filter on videos, like don't show me empty videos, the ones which we don't have, but you can also apply a filter here, like only show me here videos which are in progress, like this. And it has hidden for me another one. I can remove it, and it will be left here. So here you'll have a global overview, and you also can make some pinned filters, like add task where assignees contains me, and you will call it my tasks. You save it and you will see everything is assigned to you. I have nothing, but let me assign myself here, polinafibery.io, I call my tasks, and there we are. So it's like a quick switcher to see your work only. And last but not least, we've added all the tasks. We almost finished it. That means that our expenses were tracked. This is why we're going to the next report, which is called expenses by video. So it is getting updated automatically every hour. So I just pushed it for the manual update. And if I will check out how this report looks like, here I grouped all the amounts by video. Like nothing super fancy, just it. If you'll have, I think that this is about the report. Reports can be also like exported. They can be shared publicly, so you can like give the link to someone who is not inside the Fibery. And last but not least, we have also production structure overview. It's an example of our whiteboard, but comparing to other whiteboards on the market, here you see the real cards. So you see like the global overview, what's going on every level. Okay, here we have a scripting, and we can open any task and see what's going on inside. So don't hesitate to check out the whiteboard. Maybe you'll find it helpful for the brainstorming on the next video that you will be working on. If you have any questions, please click on help and support button. There is a human support, no AI. AI is hidden here. So we will be happy to help, and thank you for watching.